I had a conversation 3 years ago that completely changed my relationship with money. I was not ready to hear it at the time, but it saved me thousands of dollars and years of financial stress. Here is what was said. I was complaining about being broke, saying I just did not make enough, that things were too expensive, that the system was rigged against people like me. And my friend said something that stopped me cold.
He said, "You know your Netflix password. You know your Instagram password. You know your Wi-Fi password.
Do you know your credit card interest rate?" I did not. Do you know your total debt balance? I did not. Do you know your debt-free date? I had never even thought about it.
He said, "You have memorized passwords to things that entertain you, but you have not memorized the 3 numbers that are controlling your financial future."
That hit me like a truck. I went home that night, found my 3 numbers, and everything started to change. My free guide helps you find your 3 numbers today. Free. 10 minutes. Link in bio. Find your numbers tonight.